HARTING HAN B rear mount housings enable snap-in installation of pre-assembled harnesses into cabinet panels from within the cabinet, providing a faster installation with less effort than typical front mount housings. This rear installation method permits faster and easier manual installation because the cable harness can be pre-assembled separately, while front entry options require the harness to be assembled during installation into the cabinet. With HAN B rear mount housings, the harness is installed in a frame for push-in installation based on HARTING's HAN Snap technology. The housings are compatible with HAN modular and HAN heavy-duty connectors, and frames and housings can be purchased as a kit or each can be purchased separately. This installation is rugged enough for use in harsh industrial and heavy-duty applications, and it enables fully automated installation of the harness into the housing using a single robot arm. The housings are made from a durable, powder-coated die-cast aluminum and available in sizes 6B, 10B, 16B, and 24B for design flexibility. They feature polycarbonate HAN Easy Lock locking levers to secure the mating connector on the outside of the cabinet, with a single lever on size 6B housings and double levers on all other sizes. They also have a nitrile rubber seal that provides protection up to IP66 or IP67, and they can be used at temperatures from -40 to +125 degrees Celsius. And for more information on HARTING HAN B rear mount housings and the rest of the HARTING HAN modular connector system, visit Mauser.com.